I don't know if you've ever listened to what I've been saying, and I can't blame you if you don't, but I have been complaining a lot about my Achilles tendons, and I have to tell you, they are the absolute bane of my life. It started last October, very slowly, and the pain just grew and grew, and I'm a great one for trying to heal myself, so of course I went onto YouTube. I went on to Dr. Google first off, and I looked up all the exercises that I needed to do and any therapies that I might try before this pain got too bad. So I did all the exercises, all the stretches, all the passive weightlifting from my heels with a weight on my chubby knees. And I did all the stretching up against the wall and so on and so forth. I did all that, and I'm still doing it. That didn't make any difference, by the way. It just got worse and worse. And at times, I could stand on my kitchen counter and I couldn't even lift myself up onto my toes. Can you believe it? I mean, what is the world coming to for a 67-year-old woman, me? Not being able to lift themselves up on their tippy toes. I mean, Anyway, the months went on, and I tried using going to bed with one of those splints on my feet to keep my feet in a sort of upright position like that, to see if that would help. And I have to tell you, they are the devil's own device. They are so uncomfortable. I can't recommend them because they're awful. I would go to bed with these blessed things on, and by about 2 in the morning, 1:30 in the morning, they'd come off. And they came off really loudly because they had very thick Velcro on them, and so they made an awful lot of noise. Luckily I didn't wake my darling boy up, so that was a good thing, but they'd end up on the floor nonetheless, which meant by the morning I can barely walk. I walk like a cripple, just sort of clomping around like that with my feet flat, and it's just too painful to walk normally. So fast forward 8 months later since October, what's it now, July, so 9 months nearly. Yeah, so 9 months later, I'm still hobbling around. Each time I've gone to my GP, my doctor, and I've said I've got Achilles Tendinopathy, he says, ouch, and that was it, ouch, which, I appreciate he's empathizing with me that it's so sodding painful. I don't know what to do with myself, but it's no help. So there are times when it gets so bad, and right now is one of those times. I am awake at 1:30 when the throbbing in my tendons wakes me up. Despite taking paracetamol before I go to bed, despite putting ice packs on my ankles before I go to bed and wearing them in bed. Think about that one. So I made an appointment nearly a month ago to see my doctor, determined to get some treatment, not just the ouch. So I went into him and I said, look, I have got Achilles tendinopathy. I mean, I'm a podiatrist, or retired podiatrist, so I do actually know what I'm talking about. Plus, my daughter's a podiatrist, so, we know what we're dealing with, which is all the more rotten when you think you've got good feet, but then all of a sudden your Achilles tendons start playing up. So I go into him and I say, I've got Achilles tendinopathy. I would like to go privately to see somebody because this is ruining my life, literally it is just so painful. I wake up in the morning and I'm miserable because I'm in so much pain. I don't complain about it much because, what can you do? But I'm in agony. So he said, okay, I will write you a referral. So I come home armed with this referral, and my darling boy phones up Bupa. And this lovely lady, Monica, is on the phone, and she says, well, I don't know whether you need to see a doctor, because I have seen a doctor about my ankles before. They are a bit dodgy. I don't know if you need to see a doctor or if you need to see a sports doctor, somebody more specific to deal with your problem. So I said, I don't care. I don't care who I see as long as they are able to sort this out, because it's just so miserable. So she gives me the referral and the authorization code, and she finds me 2 people, and they both sound equally amazing because I looked them up. And I ended up going to see somebody in Weybridge in a sports therapy place, and to be honest, they do look rather impressive because they've got seemingly all the England rugby team on their, well, maybe not England, but anyway, they've got a whole load of rugby players, and they must get dodgy Achilles tendons at some time or another. So I thought, yeah, I'm in the right place. So last night we went to see him, well, yesterday afternoon, and he gave me a whole load of tests and pulled my ankles and my feet around, and then we went downstairs for the ultrasound scan. So I had to lie on my tummy whilst he scanned my Achilles tendons. And he said, well, I can see why you've been in a lot of pain. And I thought, I do hope so, because frankly, I feel as if nobody believes me. And he actually said that mine were the worst he's ever seen. Your Achilles tendons, by the way, are meant to be about 6 millimeters in width, and mine were 13.5 millimeters. So they are very, very swollen. And your tendons aren't meant to have blood vessels in them. Who knew? No blood vessels. But mine had loads of blood vessels. And with those blood vessels come new nerves. So there's new blood vessels and new nerve endings. And it is these nerve endings that pick up all the pain. So it's hardly surprising I'm absolutely bloody crippled in the morning and waking up at 1:30 at night with the throbbing of them. So today last night he wanted me to have an MRI scan, but because of this deep brain stimulator I've got in, I can't have an MRI scanner that is 3 Teslas because it's too strong. I have to have an MRI scanner that is 1.5 Teslas. And I hadn't also brought my remote control because I must get used to carrying it around with me. I should also carry the booklet that they gave me around with me as well. That would be helpful, wouldn't it? But it's a new thing for me. Well, since January anyway, so I didn't have that. I didn't have all the information. I did have my patient record card on me, and I keep that in my phone case. So I did do something right. So today has been spent trying to find out all the information that I need to get the hospital to use their 1.5 Tesla MRI scanner on me and not injure me. So there are protocols that I have to go through. For one thing, it has to be in MRI mode, and they have to know all about the the device that I've got fitted. So I'm hoping for an email to be sent to the hospital from the lady that does all of my settings on this deep brain stimulator, so that I can have this MRI scan as soon as I can. Once I've had it done, then the doctor, will determine whether I am suitable for a high volume injection, which means they inject saline solution complete with anesthetic between your tendon and your tendon sheath, and that is meant to separate the tendon from the tendon sheath and cut off the blood vessels that have formed in your tendon. And believe me, my scan was showing red all over the place. I mean, it was actually quite beautiful, but not if you're suffering from it, obviously. It just shows up that you must be really miserable, and in the mornings and late at night. Believe me, I am. So I'm still waiting for the letter or the email to be sent to the hospital, and I'm assuming that once they've got it, they will be able to ring me and say, yes, come along and have your scan. So in the meantime, I'm waiting. I did hope for a steroid injection, but apparently that can cause your Achilles tendons to rupture, and we don't want that. I suffer from Addison's disease after taking prednisolone, and that has left me on lifelong steroids, if I can get the word out, lifelong steroids that I'd have to take every single day, otherwise I'd become very, very, very poorly very rapidly. So that also means that I don't heal very well, and if I'm poorly I have to increase the steroids. If I'm stressed, I have to increase the steroids, and then of course if I increase the steroids my hair falls out. Honest to God, you just think one thing causes another, and now I just have to manage. Anyway, that's what's been going on this week. I'll update later in the week and make another video to add to this one. Bye.